So it's Sunday, October 29th, 2023, and I just finished drinking my Amare Happy Juice. I feel full of motivation. I feel full of determination. I have just the right amount of energy to play and run around with my child, and I feel wide awake. I do still have anhedonia, which sucks, but it is what it is, and it's on its way out the door. As I said before, I did enjoy a couple songs, so that means it's getting better, and I'm being weaned off of the medication that's causing it. They're doing it slowly, mind you, which kind of sucks. But when you do it slowly like that and you taper, you're more likely to not go through withdrawal from the medication. Because I definitely don't want to go through withdrawal. Because when you go through withdrawal from those types of meds, you get what's called brain zaps, which is when you literally get pains in your head and it feels like it's like a lightning bolt or something. And it's not very pleasant. Not to mention you can get really bad anhedonia and stuff like that. And I already have anhedonia and I don't want to make it worse. I don't have full-blown anhedonia this time, but I do definitely have musical anhedonia, and I am noticing a few other aspects of it. But luckily I can still taste food, because I know before I couldn't, and that really, really sucked. Because if you can't taste your food, why would you want to eat it? And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.